Welcome back, everyone. I hope that you have had a great Thursday. We are one day closer to Friday, and I know we can all make it. Now, today's high did get up to around 89 degrees. The average is around 84, so not too terribly hot, but for me anyways, it is. Anything that gets close to 90, I'm like, no. Well, the record was set back in 1919 when it was 102 degrees. Very, very warm that year. And let's take a look at the little belts off in the distance. Looks great outside, and those clear skies are all thanks to a high pressure that's really influenced our entire area. Now 86 right now in Great Falls, 88 in Helena, 85 in Lewistown, 89 rather in Havre, and 90 out towards Glasgow. With our winds, we aren't seeing any problems. Looking at an 8-mile-per-hour wind in Lewistown. But how dry are we? Okay, when we put together our temperature as well as our dew point and everything, we're looking at still very dry conditions. 18% in Helena, 20% in Great Falls, 19% in Havre, and 16% in Jordan. Very, very dry day. And as we take a look at radar, we are looking at sunny skies. This right here, don't worry about it. That is not rain. That could be birds that have been flying close to the radar, and it's picking up in the beam. As we head throughout the next week, we're going to be looking at, first off, tomorrow, a cold front is going to be moving in. It's going to help bring back some humidity. And I say cold front because it's, or I put that in parentheses because we're looking at the lower 80s. But if only we could go back to that time, that would be fantastic. That's what we're going to see this weekend. By next week, warming back up to around 90 degrees around Wednesday. So let's go ahead and walk through while we're seeing what we're seeing. By around 11 p.m., we're going to be looking at the low pressure making its way off towards Saskatchewan. We're going to see our cold front become stronger. As it starts to realign itself, it will then start to make its way down towards the Electric City right around 1 p.m. We're going to be looking at clouds building in, so expect a partly sunny day tomorrow. That will also allow for the humidity to be brought back to the Treasure State. Now, this I think is a little bit exaggerating on terms of how much rain we could be looking at. I think we're going to be looking at the best chance of 20% for anything. And by the time we get to around Saturday morning, we see cloud cover really right where that cold front is. Back behind it, we're not looking at much. We're expecting mostly sunny day on Saturday throughout the day, and temperatures are going to be in the lower 80s, though, thankfully. What can we expect in terms of our winds gusting tomorrow? We could be looking at 25-mile-per-hour wind gusts, 10 to 20, though, right around at 12 p.m. tomorrow, 5 to 10 in Helena as well as Lewistown. Now, and so when we put all this together for tomorrow, our fire variable forecast, we are looking at being the driest right around 5 o'clock tomorrow. That's we're going to be looking at 27% humidity, temperatures around 83, and our winds gusting only at around 11 miles an hour. You can always stay weather aware by following me on social media at Meteorologist Grant Garland on Facebook and downloading that free KRTV app. It is free and ever present. We're looking at temperatures tonight, dropping down to 58 in Great Falls, 57 in Lewistown, 58 in Hayes, and 59 in Malta. As we head throughout the day tomorrow, temperatures will get to around 85 degrees with maybe an isolated chance for a storm. By Saturday, 80 degrees, Sunday, 81. We are going to be starting to warm back, though, as we head into next work week. Partly sunny skies on Monday, and then sunny skies on Tuesday with temperatures around 88.